Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. So in this video, what we're going to go over is these Dobinsons extended rear shackles. Now, for this specific truck, these are about the same size as the shackles that are on there, so you're not really extended as such, but as you can see, they are greaseable. So for me, big plus, you can see they each got 2 holes, and then on the end here, you have your little grease fitting. This can unscrew, so when you are installing these, of course, especially with suspension parts, everything doesn't fit just perfectly, so you may have to give this a little bit of a smack with a hammer of some sort. So being able to unthread this like such, you can get that out of the way, hit it, recommend a rubber mallet, not a steel hammer because you'll bugger up the end here. But you can beat it into place without wrecking the grease nipple. And when you're done, you just thread it back in, give it a little tighten, and it's good to go. So what you can do here now that it's unbolted, so you can see that this bolt is hollow, clearly. When you pump the grease through there, it'll come through, it'll pop out the holes here, and then your bushings, which you can also get from Dobinsons, the grease will come out here, it'll grease up everything in the bushing, as well as those bushings from these guys have a tiny little gap in the middle, so it allows the grease to come up and grease everything on the outside as well, along with the outside ring or the face of the bushing. So with these, you can grease everything. Keep it quiet, keep it all lubed up. It's not going to be getting dirt and grime and stuff in there. Just makes things last longer, looks good, it won't squeak because everybody knows a squeaky suspension is very annoying. So if you're having that problem and you're looking to just pick these up, I highly recommend getting them. Easy to install, and again, more grease, longer it lasts, the better it is. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon. So if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.